Alright, the hole is officially dug. 12 inches deep. It's pretty crazy. I don't know whose idea this was. Because I'm hot and sweaty. And sometimes I wonder if I'm crazy. Like, why am I doing this? I got the lift for free, and I guess that's why I'm doing it. Because I'm like, well, I got the lift for free, so I might as well dig a hole in the garage and put it in there. It'd be really cool. I don't know. Alrighty. We are here, and here is the frame. I went a little overboard on some of the stuff, so I'm gonna have to cut some of that mesh off of there. And I'm pretty wide. I don't know really what I was thinking with that. I don't know. But it'll be alright. So, just gonna end up being like 5 inches wide along here of concrete instead of 4 that I was thinking. So I'm gonna use a little bit more concrete, but I'll be alright because it's gonna tuck up under there a little bit, under the slab. So I got the saw out. So tomorrow, cutting some concrete. Alright, it's Saturday morning. I've committed to the first cut. Works really awesome. So glad I bought a walk behind because that is a lot more power, 14 horsepower, than some handheld job. And my back's already fucked as it is, so no sense in making things harder on me. So I'm gonna sit this up on there's the frame there, so I got it all hard to see, but got it marked out when I cut. Sharpie lines are staying just fine while it's wet here, so I'm gonna go ahead and make the other 3 cuts. Alright, so I made a few more cuts. I think I'm gonna make 2 more. So they're pieces about that size, and then I can just flip them and fold them out. Getting that first chunk out was a bitch. But I think now that I've got it started, it shouldn't be too terribly bad. But I'm gonna go 2 more cuts along there, and then it hopefully will just peel right out. It's got metal reinforcement in it, but it looks like, you know, cut right through it. But so this thing, I can make those 2 cuts in about 10 minutes, so I might as well just do it and make my life easier than having to sit here sledgehammering. Because I'm already sore and my back hurts already. right, check it out. A hole in the floor. Now I gotta dig out about 8 inches of that muddy sand. But it's time for me to go eat lunch. So right now it is 12:38. I started at 10. So it took me about 2.5 hours by myself to cut it. I ended up cutting it into strips, about 1 foot strips. So I made like 4 or 5 cuts this way, and I think I made 3 cuts. I made 2 cuts this way, I guess, and which worked out great. So I ended up with these blocks. Which, you know, were easy. So I might end up using them as like big landscape, you know, blocks, but I'm not gonna fuck with that right now. You know, I could like go around this thing or something once I'm gonna get this all landscaped. And same thing on this side with this little thing here, so it'll look real nice. Get this place cleaned up. Oh yeah, Donzi's for sale if anybody needs a Donzi 18 Classic. It's sweet. So it's right in line with the main lift. It's halfway in between this half of the shop. The lift is over there, is halfway on that side of the shop, so it should be real nice. All right, we are digging dirt, baby. We got to take this thing down 12 inches. So we are moving dirt. The frame is about 8 inches where the floor is going to be, the new floor, and so we're going down 4.5, 5 inches for the floor underneath. So here we go. All right, here's our little test fit. Looks good. So obviously we're gonna pick it up and should be good to go. It's kind of hard to measure, but yeah, about 2 inches. Perfect. So we're gonna raise it up 2 inches. And then 4.5 inches of base. All right.
Oh, you hit that with the sawzall?
Yeah. All right, I saw this on fucking TikTok, and it looks like it's gonna work. We put a little banana bend into this thing as much as we could, and I'm gonna try not to cut the pipe. And we're just gonna go over there, and then tomorrow we're gonna cut a hole over there closer to the wall. All right, we are ready to start pouring. I got the frame all kind of shimmed up on some rocks, plus it's sitting on this angle exactly where I want it. We centered it, measured it, and I just drilled holes around the perimeter. I'm gonna run up and grab either some cheap 5/8 bolts or some re-rod and jam the re-rod into the slab, and that way it'll tie it all in so this thing won't sink on us over time. So I'd have to sink the whole slab, so should be good. So here we go.